Hey Larry, what's going on in this BMW?
All right, so this car has a misfire fault. It was running real rough. It was towed in. I think it's smart the guy towed it in. Misfires, if you keep running an engine with a misfire, it damages the cat. So I think this is the right thing to do with towing them sometimes. Inspecting this, it had a misfire on cylinder 2. What we're finding is the coil wasn't actually pushed down all the way. So maybe somebody did spark plugs or somebody made some other repair, but it wasn't pushed down all the way and it burnt up. You know, if you can see the tip, it burned up in the inside of this. So all that white crust, we had a couple of coils laying around, so for testing purposes we just put a used coil in this car. It looks like that's all it's going to be. This is an odd repair. Normally, you know, these just hold or installed with friction, so these little rubber serrations or booties hold this down. It just wasn't down all the way. Yeah, weird fix.